seduction, and undeniable sex appeal. Featuring the King of the World, Philippines 2025.
Welcome to the most exciting collaboration of the 4 sought-after swimwear designers in the country. Let the royal begin. Thank you so much and good evening.